Hey guys, 𝐒𝐲𝐸 here. Welcome back to another video. I'm here to talk to you about this $100 instant commission program where you can make commissions of $100 called textbot.ai over and over and over again. What I want to show in this specific video is how you can set up different payment processors to receive payment in the textbot.ai system. Before I jump into that, I want to take you over to the textbot.ai group, and I just want to show you like what's happening. People are getting great results with this system. The offer converts very well. Today, 17 hours ago, someone said, "I love textbot.ai." Posted $1,000 commission. Today this person, I think it was a day ago, said that he crossed $15,000 in commissions with textbot. And I just wanted to show some of the examples of people winning. 3 days ago, just hit the $500 mark in this business. So people are definitely getting results. So let's get into showing you how to set up your textbot payments. Okay, so when you join textbot.ai, and if you want to know more about how to join and how to get started with this system, what it is it's an automated text system. What it allows you to do is not only make $100 commissions, but the system will do all the explaining, the following up for you. So it's a pretty awesome system. If you have other programs that you want to promote, you can definitely promote that using this. Okay, so basically this is a front end offer that's going to put $100 in your pocket over and over again. If you don't have a primary business, then this becomes your primary business. Okay, and then on the back end, if you have other offers, you can promote that on the back end with text.ai because it will deliver to them your primary opportunity. Okay, so that's pretty much how that works. So let's jump into it. So right over here, what you're going to do is you're going to see a section that says My Profile when you join. And again, the link is beneath this video. Go ahead and check that out. I do give amazing bonuses. So you'll click on My Profile and you're going to click on My Payment Methods. Okay, it's going to say right here, how do you want to get paid? The great thing about textbot.ai is it gives you lots of ways that you can receive payment. So those $100 payments, you decide how you want to receive those payments, and the system gives you lots of options. We're going to go over that. Okay, so any option that you don't want to use, leave it blank. Okay, so for example, there's PayPal. You would put in here your PayPal details. For PayPal, like you put the HTTP link for your PayPal. For Cash App, you will put your username. I put my username. If you use Venmo and you wanted to receive payment that way, you will put your Venmo payment details. Google Pay, same thing. Cash App, same thing. Credit card. Okay, so I'm going to go over how you can set up a credit card payment. I'll go over that in a second. Bitcoin, you'll put your Bitcoin details. And then if you use Zelle, you'll put the email address of the bank. Your bank email address so that people could send it to, whatever bank you use, whether it be Chase or, I don't know, like Bank of America or whatever, like large banks or whatever. Most of them are connected to Zelle. You can do that. And then you will hit Save Payment Methods, and your payment methods are in there. So what I want to do is kind of go over how you could set up some of these payment processors so that you could use them with the textbot.ai system. Okay, so one of my favorites is Square. Square is free. It's a payment processor essentially. So what you would do is go to square.com. You would set up a Square account for free. I will also include my link beneath this video so that you could go ahead and get set up with Square. So what you would do is you come over to Square, and once you've set up your account, okay, what you're going to do is on the dashboard, you're going to see, it's going to say online checkout. Okay, you're going to click on that. Okay, it's this simple to get a link. And then it's going to say right here, create checkout link. You're going to click on that. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to click on collect a payment. Okay, so you're going to click create link, and then you're going to call it textbot.ai. Okay, and you're going to make it $100. And then you're going to hit create link. Okay. Then you're going to copy this whole link, and you're going to come over to the textbot system. And right here where it says credit card 100, you put that checkout link right there. That's going to allow you to receive payments to Square as a payment processor direct to you. Okay. Now with Square, you can link it to your bank account within Square. You go ahead and within Square, link your bank account, and then you can transfer the money out of Square to your bank account. Or the thing I love about Square is you can set it where it automatically deposits the money into your bank account once money hits your Square account. That's why I like Square. So that's pretty cool. So that's an option as a payment option. And then Cash App is pretty easy to set up as well. You're going to go to cash.app, cash.app. It's easier to do it on your phone. Just download the Cash App, app, Cash App app, and you download that, and then you're going to be able to be able to give someone your Cash App link. Okay. So, that's pretty much that. You'll be able to download your Cash App link. I'll include that as well below. If you wanted the link to how to set up your Cash App, I will include details for that. I'm just making myself little notes. Okay, another payment processor is Zelle. So if you have a major bank account, okay, you know, any of the major banks, then you can log into your banking app, and most of them have Zelle Pay or Zelle, right? And all you have to do is click on Get Started, and you could be able to, you know, send and receive money from Zelle. The way it works is like, because I had to call my bank and try to figure out, like, well, what is my Zelle email address? Like, how does that work? Whatever your email address is that you use with your bank, like you signed up for an account, you have an email address for your bank or whatever, that's how you send and receive money with Zelle. Okay, so I was like, oh, okay, that's how that works. So just so you know that, okay? So that's how you do it. You know, sign up for one of the, you know, these, if you don't have any of these payment processors, again, you can sign up with Square, you can sign up with Cash App, you can use Zelle, you know, textbot gives you, you know, you could do Venmo. Oh, I didn't show you Google Pay. So Google Pay is another way that you can do it. I want to show you how to do that. So Google Pay is pretty simple. You go to pay.google.com, okay? Pay.google.com, and you just create a free account with using one of your Gmail email addresses. Okay, so that's what you would do. Okay, and then what you would want to do is, hold on one second, let me go up. Once you're logged in with your email, your Gmail email address in Google Pay, what you're going to do is you're going to click on payment methods. I'm not going to click in it because I don't want to show my information. And you're going to make sure you have the way, you know, link whatever bank account or payment method you want or debit card that you want so that the money goes onto there. So when people pay you, you could just transfer it to yourself to that card. That's pretty much how it works, okay? So that's that. I just wanted to give you guys some options for receiving those $100 payments, knowing how to set those accounts up if you don't already have them, so that you could, you know, get the money. All right, if you're ready to join textbot.ai, again, the link is beneath the video. I do offer bonuses to help you get started, so that you know how to market your textbot.ai, you know, get off to a running start and start earning those lovely $100 commissions. It converts very well. That's pretty much that. Oh, and it has amazing pass up included. You get the second pass up of every person who you refer to this program, so your income is growing as well from other people that are coming into the system as well. So pretty cool. That's it. If you have any questions, reach out. I'll see you in the next video. Smash the subscribe button. Bye guys.